None. Elsa from Salzburg noticed the streets cluttered with empty cans and wrappers. Instead of waiting for adults to act, she made posters and started her own cleanup crew. 4 people joined her first meeting, then 8, then 12, now 24 members strong. Elsa's initiative is making her city cleaner, one litter at a time. 2 months ago in Luxor, Gamila began a project helping adults learn to read and write Arabic. Her partner, Mrs. Adza, struggled at first, but Gamila's encouragement kept her going. "You're doing really well. Don't stop now," she'd say. Gamila loved being the teacher, asking, "Did you do your homework?" Her efforts are opening new worlds for Mrs. Adza. Over in Manchester, Leon joined a summer project where teens write stories using AI. He was amazed by how well AI could craft tales, though he had to fix some quirks. One story had a sun that never set. Impossible, right? Leon's edits brought the stories to life, blending tech with creativity. These stories show that no matter your age, you can make a difference. How will you change your city?